This is our pig here right now. This is approximately 32 kilos at 160 pesos here in our farm. So now, Kuya Nando, who is in charge of the lechon, is cutting the innards of the pig. So that's how to take the innards out. You have to be very careful. Oh my goodness. So that's the innards over there. You have to be very careful in taking the innards out because it will smell. Your lechon will smell bad. That's it. See, the stomach of the lechon is already clean. Let's clean the lechon properly. They're making a hole in the butt in order for the tube to be inserted inside. So now, Nung Nando is putting an opening at the butt of the pig. It's really very good to use bamboo, but we have no time to cut bamboos right now, so we're using an iron tube. There. See, it has a manobela. Okay. The tube is now inserted.
Sangit.
Paubos dah dong. Ay sa.
Iubos gamay chay, ang musaka chay. Ang sangit na yun chay, ang ari, nabra man ari. Sayad naman ko nito. Sayad na.
Wasa ko.
Gi.
Kana ana may ako na ora. Tuyo ka na no.
Iko lang. Masud siya.
Ayun, sangit na ng bukog man.
Sangit.
Iwan ko na yun.
Ano sangit to?
Sangit sa bukog. Sangit naman dito sa lama.
Now they're cleaning the pig again.
Balik-balik pa yan.
After it's been the tube was inserted inside the pig.
Karon ang paratahi.
Okay. So these are the ingredients. We have bay leaf, salt, lemongrass, star anise, onions. We also have here toyo. These are actually the secret ingredients of my brother. He's making the lechon, and this is his ingredients for it. Okay.
Sayang lang kayo, tayo ano, manok.
Na ako'y manok sa balay, dagan kong manok sa balay. So that's how my brother puts the spices inside in order for the pig to tastes so good. So that's my brother there. It's his birthday yesterday and mine is today. But we'll be celebrating it together with also my niece today. So that's how he does it. The most important thing is the lemongrass. It makes the aromatics. It makes the aroma of the lechon.
Makes the world go round.
Okay. So we have to secure all the things inside the lechon. So we have to tie it. Tying the lechon is very important. Sewing its body secures all the herbs inside so that it won't fall. We have
Go out.
You have to
Tighten.
tighten or sew it pisco. In order for the herbs not to spill outside the stomach of the pig, we need to sew the stomach so that, of course, it won't spill. And this is how it looks like. To tighten the string that's been sewed,
So.
you have to tighten the string. I forgot to take a video. My brother placed some toyo on the lechon. And now,
Tuyok-tuyok. Hinahinay.
okay, they're grilling the lechon. So the brown sauce is toyo. So after an hour, this is how the lechon looks like now. This is how the lechon would look after 3 hours. So it's almost done. In a few minutes, this will be cooked already.